princesses, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the rough appearance, but it's pretty much just kind of been a bum day here on Saturday. Today it is Saturday, November the 19th, and literally we've just been around the house. We haven't really gone anywhere or left or done anything, so sometimes you just need those type of days. But we've been, for the most part, just this evening cooking food for the week and just prepping our stuff like we usually do. So I'll show you guys a little bit of that here. Alrighty, so I made like a little mini meatloaf here on the side, and I stuffed it with a little bit of Gouda cheese. And then my husband did chicken. He did some pan-fried chicken. I chopped up a little bit of cucumber. He also did some oven, baked bacon, as well as some pan-fried tilapia. Yeah, just some pan-fried tilapia, just a few there so we could have some fish tacos. As of right now, he is currently making some chicken noodle soup. If you can see, he already has his little veggies over here cut up. So we have our carrots, our onions, and our celery. And he's doing chicken noodle soup. It's just gonna be sans the noodles for me. And I'm gonna start juicing. So I have some stuff right here to do some juicing. Usually when we do our detox water, which I always put in this little container right here, the detox water will include like lemon and ginger, and of course, the star of the show, the yummy peppermint, or just mint, basically. But this time I didn't have any lemons, so I'm just gonna use up some of these limes that we have before they go terribly bad. I have a couple things of ginger here, so I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of I'm gonna throw in something different, just half of a cucumber with the lime juice. So I'm gonna do cucumber and lime, and then ginger on its own in these little containers here. And that way I can kind of just add in when I need to refill the pitcher, just kind of add in as much as I would like, so that we still have that flavor there. Usually when I chop up the ginger and I put it in the water, I don't really get any of the ginger flavor. It's very, very hidden, and it's kind of, the mint pretty much takes over. So I really want to get some of that extra ginger. I just don't want it to kind of float around in the pitcher. I really do want to get the best effects of that ginger, for metabolism and detox and all that type of stuff. So this is what I'm going to be using to go ahead and make the detox water today. Alrighty, guys. So now that you see what I've been up to, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the juicing for the most part. So my juicer, I got off of Amazon. Actually, Ollie, you got me this off Amazon.
Yes.
For our anniversary. Yay! That's what I wanted. I wanted a juicer. So the name of this one is Mueller, and I will find it and I will go ahead and link it below. It was just off at the Amazon. So I will show you, I will link it below if you guys are interested in a juicer. It's pretty decent, really high powered. It just has 2 powers, 1 and 2. So you either get 1, which is pretty high powered, but also 2, like literally dissolves everything. So I'll show you guys this. Is this a good angle? And there we go. Now you can actually see the juice. I have a little napkin here. I'm gonna start with, can I start with this? This is perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lime and the cucumber here. So I'm gonna put this in first, and it's gonna go quickly. And this is my little thing to help push it down. So let me get this ready before I even start this thing, because it is serious. All right, so here is power number 1. Done. That's my whole half. All right. Next up. There's my lime. I might have put it on 2 for these. Here we go. One more. Perfect. So that is it for that. All right, so I'm gonna sit this here, and this is the juice that I got. This is the cucumber and the limes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top on this. This is just my reusable jars from when I grabbed the juice from somewhere. We push this down and just check our little bag. Okay, everything looks good. Check our little refuse bin here.
Smells good.
It does smell good. I love the smell of lime. There we go. Get down there. Okay, perfect. All right, so now it's time for our ginger. So I'm gonna set up my second one here. If a little bit gets in there, that's okay. It's all going to the same place, and I'm just gonna break up these bulbs. Can you see me? Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of break off these little bulbs here, just to kind of help it out a bit. And this is gonna be super helpful, especially in these colder winter months, because I promise you, everybody is coming down with something. And I don't know how, You know what? I'm gonna actually just put all of these in here. I already broke them up. So it's gonna be one and done. All right, pop that right here. And we're gonna go ahead and put this one right on too. There we go. Okay. And then I'm just gonna tilt this over and get any residual. All right, there we go. So now we have our ginger juice here, and that is definitely gonna be potent. Oh, there's still more dripping out. Let me just leave it there then. Definitely gonna be potent. So let me unplug my juicer here. See if any more comes out. Just a little bit. Okay, that's it. All right, and I'm gonna put a top on that for right now. Okay, take this off. Oh yeah, that thing is full. All right. And so here is the aftermath. And then my little refuse bin right here is where it kicks out all that additional fiber. Like all that fiber and everything from there. So yeah, I'll get all this cleaned up here in a minute. Here we go. All right, so this one's unplugged. Move this out the way. All right, now time to go ahead and create our detox water. Here we go. Move this out the way too, because that needs to be cleaned. Alrighty, so
Stop going down.
Cool. We're gonna start with our friend Mr. Mint here. I have 2 little mint plants here. I put them in the sun today to keep them growing healthy and strong. I'm gonna go ahead and pop a thing in here. And 2. Here we go. And let's see which one I want to use. Oh, that's a good one. There's a lot of good leaves on it. There we go. That one has plenty. So I'm going to put 3 of them in here. Nice. All right. And so now I'm going to go ahead and start measuring out a little bit of each to add to my water. So I'm going to go with something. I'm going to start small. I'm going to go with 1/2 tablespoon for my ginger. Actually, you know, maybe I should just do a teaspoon. Yeah, let's just start with a teaspoon. I can always add more if necessary, but it is very potent. So let's just do a teaspoon here. So there we go. Add that right in, just in case. And then we have our lime juice along with that cucumber. So let's do a teaspoon of that as well. Actually, I could probably do 2 teaspoons, but let me try let me try 1 first. Because I don't want it to be overly spicy or overly acidic to where you just can't even enjoy it. So start adding our water here. And the good thing about already having these juiced up is I could actually pop these into ice cube trays and create my own little ice cubes. So that next time, all I gotta do is throw in my mint, my water, and I could do an ice cube or so like that. And yeah. All right, and that should do it. All right. Here we go. Let me turn it this way so I can kind of move it around. So it's not as clear as it usually is. It is definitely gonna have that little bit of fogginess to it, but that's okay because what I'm really interested in is how it tastes. So I'm gonna grab my little grateful harvest cup here, and we're gonna just try a little bit. Okay, not bad. Definitely getting some ginger, but I could actually use some more of this. So let's do a little bit more of this one here. Ooh, yeah, that's definitely a little bit more. Let me wipe that off before I close that. And then a little bit more of this one as well. Here we go. All right, perfect. So once I get my desired consistency here. Oh, you guys aren't even seeing me. I'm sorry. We're swilling everything down. Yeah, that's the ticket. Yes, that's it. All right. So basically I can just do 1 full tablespoon of both, and that should be enough for our water here. That is delicious. I don't get the mint flavor right off, which is okay because of course it needs to sit, but the acidity and the spiciness from the ginger and stuff like that is perfect. So that is my detox water for the week, or until we finish it, which we usually do. And then I need to make some more. So I'm so happy that I went ahead and got all of that already juiced up. So that works out perfectly. Yes, so thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm so glad you were able to see me create a new version of the same detox water. And hopefully this will really help with any, like I said, with stuff that's going around. Hopefully it's helping to boost immune systems, help me get my metabolism jump started, and yeah, just keeping the body running and keeping everything detoxed as much as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, if you guys liked it, give me a great big thumbs up for more videos to come. You guys already know I'll be breaking fast with you guys, along with showing you how I create different meals and different approaches to certain stuff. Take care, guys. Love you so much. And again, if you love it here, hit that subscribe button and become part of the Natalie Loves Cebu family. Speaking of Cebu, she is laying on her bed, enjoying her life. Take care, guys.